To compress videos without losing quality completely free? Most beginners download the wrong file and end up with malware instead. Watch this entire guide so you don't make that costly mistake. By the end, you'll be compressing like a pro. First, open your browser and search for Handbrake download. Stop right here. This step is more important than you think. Click the very first official link to avoid unsafe downloads. One wrong click can ruin your computer. In the Windows section, click the executable installer. The download starts automatically. Keep watching because the installation has a hidden trap most people miss. Open your Downloads folder, double-click the installer, and follow the setup wizard. Just click Next, then Install. Simple, right? But stay tuned. Step 5 is where beginners get stuck. Once installed, right-click the Handbrake shortcut on your desktop and select Open. If a pop-up says you need Net Desktop Runtime, don't panic. This is normal. Click Download it now from the official Microsoft page and install it. This is a required step for Windows. Skip this and the app won't open. You're ready to compress any video for free. Hit subscribe for more pro tips. And in the next video, I'll show you the exact settings to shrink files by 90% without losing quality. Don't miss it!